So this is how we can add pages in the iPad notes. Let's get started. Right, so there are a few things you might mean by that. So if you were just writing your notes and whatnot, and you notice that you are running out of space, right? So the way that it kind of works is that you don't really have like pages like page one, page two in the notes. You just have like endless space for writing. And in order to add more space, just tap on and clicking in the return or enter key, and it will just keep on adding more space. So you can just, you know, do that and get more writing space as you go. So this is how it kind of works. There is no manual page break or anything like that because notes, the Apple Notes app, are continuous and unlimited in length. When it comes to using the Apple Pencil and the Canvas, well, the handwritten notes, it will just expand as you write. So it will essentially allow endless pages too, but just like differently using the Apple Pencil. What you are probably looking for is a Pages app from the Apple, right? So this is like a Word or a text editor, which is going to work the way that you expect. Like you're going to have pages, you can number them and organize them and everything, right? So it might be a better fit for you, as Notes app is like the endless paper where you just can keep on typing whatever you want. The Pages is a document editor, which makes it a little bit more structured and you can export it. And yeah, it's going to be a bit more professional if that is what you are going for. Anyways, check out the channel here, this one about some Pages videos on the iPad specifically, because I'm currently making a bunch of them. So I'm pretty sure you will find them useful. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss them. And I'll see you in the future.